Hey, good morning. I'm trying to set up everything. Give me a second. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, bearish. I kind of expected it, to be honest. After we took the high yesterday and we didn't continue, we took out the Asian session. And yeah, I had a medical appointment. I went to my barber, so I would have traded this for sure. Let me see. Yeah, this would have been a nice short. This one as well. But yeah, I expected it. I don't trade before news, but we still have this major liquidity to take. I don't really, I'm not quite certain that's going to be the case. Give me a second. Um, I mean, everything is possible, but I haven't looked at the charts on a bigger time frame, so I'm gonna need a few minutes, and I'm gonna tell you what's my high time frame outlook. Yeah, I was a bit busy today. I had some things to do, some errands to run. So I didn't look at the chart at all today. Mm-hmm. Now we're live. I know for sure we're gonna take this one today. I just hope they're gonna run it higher and then drop it after 10 so we have a chance to profit off of it. I got approved again with Apex on the one account that I have with them. Let me show you. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm still having issues with the internet. They still haven't fixed me. They're trying to send an email, but they cannot manage. I don't know, man. It's quite embarrassing. What are they doing, these people? But yeah, I'm bearish for the day. I don't expect anything to happen on a higher time frame. Yeah, I was just checking my account. I can show you now as well. The payout. Let me see. We're gonna open the market in 30 minutes, but for 30 minutes I'm not gonna place any trades, so that's why I'm so relaxed about it. We have time to look, and I don't advise anyone to trade until 10. We are 2 days before FOMC. It's gonna be crazy, so let's be patient. So request payout. Yeah. So this is my apex. I think you can see. Yeah, you can see. I have. This is my second one, second payout on this account. The first one was 1800, 1900. This one was a bit less. Yesterday I tried, but I made like only 70 bucks. It was so difficult for me to trade it. Yesterday, you saw on live stream, I profited off one challenge, but it was a large account, and yeah, I just traded pre-market and I had an open position. That's why it worked out. But yeah, yesterday was a bummer. I got approved this morning. This morning I sent them the request. They approved it instantly, which is surprising. The first payout, it took like 10 days to get approved. This one was in 1 day, so maybe they're gonna pay me next week, which would be nice. But yeah, this is what I have with Apex at the moment in terms of funded accounts I have with Tradify and other companies. And yeah, basically here it was a withdrawal, and then these are the days. They're not 18, it shows all the days, but basically I'm trading with this account for 18 days. And let me see, what's my hit rate? I had one loss, 0, have not traded. This is the withdrawal, the payout basically. So I had one loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, amount of $500. And while I have withdrawn 3.5K, and I still have a PNL of 2.1. So yeah, that's 5K in 18 trading days. I think that's good. But yeah, this is just a small account. I've done it with micros. Everything was live on stream because I started streaming. It doesn't say the date here. Yeah, I don't understand what these people are doing, but basically it's in April. Let's see the chart. Maybe, yeah. So yeah, I started on March 28th. Probably this is a payout approved, yeah. And these are basically, this is them taking my money out for payout because I did not have a loss of 2K. They would have, I would have blown the account. But yeah, loss, yeah, these are the losses, but they consider payouts as losses. The market has opened, so I'm gonna switch. But yeah, I had only 3 losses and 5 point something K in total. But yeah, this is the account. They approved it now, and yeah, I'm gonna continue trading on it. Let's switch back to the charts. Yeah, at the open, I guess they're just gonna take out the low. I don't even know if I want to trade the funded account today, but I have 2 other challenges on Apex. I'm trading Apex nowadays. The other accounts that I have, I put them on hold. I don't like the volatility, so I'm trading only Apex right now just because they are the cheapest ones, the cheapest options. So if I blow a $30 account, I don't care about it. But yeah, I like how they're setting up this one. I would like for this to be a temporary low until 10 o'clock. Let's look hourly what's happening. Actually, I'll do it like this. Mhm. For some reason, I cannot just. Yes. So this is what I use for high time frames. On the 1 hour, we had the Asian session. We took the high of it. Now we're trading the lows. We're gonna attack this low. And we are already at 1 second. We're already almost at third standard deviation. So I don't know if we're gonna have a crash today. So we might bounce back. Let's check. I'm checking other instances where we have gone out of the standard deviation for the day. And this is not happening too often. So right now, what I'm thinking, we take out this low, we trade it inside this fair value gap, and we go higher just because my narrative would be to attack the monthly high tomorrow or the day after tomorrow because we're gonna have the NFP. And then we're gonna move lower and attack the rest of the liquidity. I'm bearish, but for the moment, I think we need to take out this high. And we might do it tomorrow. So today is gonna be kind of like a setup. Now let's see. That's best case scenario. They can just crush it from here on now because I know we're gonna be bearish anytime soon. So yeah, I'll be bearish for the day, but I'll be mindful for the PM session if they wanna send it higher as they have done in the past. Let's see. I'm bearish for now, that's for sure. Let's switch to 1 minute. But yeah, today I'm gonna trade the 150 account. We are 5,000 away from profit target. Yeah. Would be sad to take out that low, but nothing we can do about it. I would like to trade it, but not now, after 10. A lot of high impact news, so I guess there's gonna be volatility at 10 for sure. Today, trading per market would have been amazing. You have first fair value gap confirmation, and then you have from this point 100 points, which is amazing in pre-market in just 5-10 minutes. So yeah, we're taking the low. Next target would be 19,123 if they want to send it there. Mhm. No setups. Doing my oils. I don't know how many traders have routines, but I cannot start my session without my routines. Sounds tacky, I know, but whatever works, man. So yeah, let's wait for 10. Only 10 o'clock can change the stance from bearish to bullish, but I highly doubt it. After all the consolidation that we have done for the past few days, now we're waiting for some expansion. They are seeking external liquidity, and we're no strangers to having days of minus 4%, 5%. As much as I would like to short, yeah, nothing I can do about it. Not now, at least. 20 minutes away. Let's see how much they want to drop it until 10 o'clock. Bomber. They're going after the first target already. Mm-mm-mm. What else? We're minus 2%. I want to check the previous days, previous weeks. So we had minus 4, minus 3, minus 2.7, plus 2.5, plus 2.6, plus 2.6. So yeah, we are in that territory, that's for sure. Uh, Unfortunately, I'm not buying catching drop falling knives. That's how they say it. Yeah, I don't want to catch falling knives. And I agree. There is a lot of liquidity up here, but now the trend is bearish. We're just gonna have to follow it. There is a break in market structure and everything. We cannot just buy. Obviously, I understand now the manipulation that they're doing. They're basically just dropping the price in order to get this next low. Afterwards, trading might be difficult. We have range, which is good, a good thing to trade in, because basically if you make a mistake, the price is gonna move, you can recover. But I would like to just trade one contract and be done. Maybe 3 micros. Yeah, let's see. Fair value gap. Let's study it. I don't think this would be respected though. One thing I used to do when I was a newbie trader, I'll be seeing the price getting basically confirmation, getting close to my target. I was like, okay, this is a fair value gap. I'm going to short this one. And then they would take it, go higher, drop it, and then I would just blow an account. Because here on the 5 minute, see, you already have here as well. So now the 5 minute candle is about to close. What do you think? They're going to respect this 1 minute, or they're going to try to tap into the 5-1? So takes a lot of experience to select which type of fair value gaps you're going to use when you're trading. So yeah, as I was saying, have this fair value gap that was not respected because they're going for the 5-minute one. Checking out the time frames. Yeah, there is a fair value gap here. So let's say we go short now and put here. We're risking 500 for 2000. Willing to try it? Let me think. But it's before 10 o'clock, so I don't like that. And this is a fair value gap here. This doesn't need to be respected in order for my plan to work. Buy one limit. So yeah, if they're gonna respect this one, it's just gonna blow me out now. Which I believe is gonna happen. We have all this liquidity here. But it's a 150k challenge. I'm willing to risk those 500. Even here would be better to have a stop loss, but right now I'm not even risking more than that. I would just want for the price to go down. $22, and I'm even thinking of taking out just the low. Just to be very precise about what we're doing here. This should be acting as an inversion fair value gap. If not, let's see. Nice entry though. I would like for this 5 minutes to be taken to the 5 minute low. I want to wait for this 5 minute to close, even though I don't like the fact that we're having a green 1 minute candle. I'm a bit mindful of the time as well. So that's important, considering they're gonna drop some news. Hmm. I would suggest you to get out. I'm waiting because it's a challenge account, but I would have been out in a funded account. You're already having a good profit. I'm talking in terms of points. We're having the same amount of points. Like, at the end of the day, that's what matters. Out as well. Amazing trade. Amazing entry. Oh, congrats, man. Wait, how much did you start it? So 1.5, we are out of the buffer. So I don't have a live drawdown anymore. Hyped. I'm hyped. Amazing. Amazing, bro. I'm happy for you. So how long it took you 150 to profit $150? When did you start it? And yeah, tell me the story. 2 weeks? That's amazing, man. Who makes $150 in 2 weeks out of a hobby? I mean, this is not a job, right? So that's beautiful. So yeah, my drawdown right now is 5k, 5.5. It stopped at 150. So right now we're cruising. It would have touched the ultimate target, as you can see here. So 35. I've left 500 on the table. That's fine. Mm. Happy about it. A success story from this channel. Um, it's good to see people learning something from what I'm doing. To be honest, I did not expected this. I started this just to journal myself, but I'm happy people can just take advantage of what I'm doing here. So thank you for watching. You're always here. Helps a lot. Yeah, fully aligned. That's how it should be, man. Like, you should learn stuff from other people, but you have to adapt them as yourself because you need to be independent, right? Um, it gives you more satisfaction when it's something that you have done, you have worked on, and you're profiting off of. I also learn things from other people, but at some point it's good for you to separate yourself from everyone and just do your thing. News. Let's see. 10 o'clock. I was expecting a more volatility. Would be interesting to see if we can use this one as an inversion fair value gap and seek some temporary buy side liquidity like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about it. I can do it also once, like I can do it on stream on Friday because on Friday I'm not trading, so I have all the time to do that. But yeah, for sure I can teach you some moves. Let's see if we're gonna have some speed to the upside. The fact that they left this here is not good, but yeah, there's something to think about. Mm. Trading inside this fair value gap and inversion fair value gap at the same time. Let's see if this is gonna hold up. Something temporary, maybe this liquidity here. This would be an ultimate target. This would be an interesting buy. I'm not convinced yet. Yeah, only the 5 minute thinking about it. Okay, I'm gonna buy 2 micros right here if this candle is gonna be green. This 1 minute candle. Let's see. We're still bearish. I'm just thinking maybe something temporary. Because we've done all this damage pre-market. Okay, I'm in. I just bought this inversion fair value gap. The target would be, for some reason, okay. Target would be here and here. I'll show you my entry. But yeah, I just want to follow the E-mini, so you can watch the profit target here at the bottom. My stop loss is 135, something like that. 131.75. Let's see. Nice movement. Let's see if we can go higher. Already profiting 200. Some partials at 237. Let's see how it's gonna react off of this one. $15, that's a fair value gap as well, just for you to be mindful. I'll take a partial here. That's a nice movement. Let me just partially show you we're still in this, right? Half of the position is out. If they want to send it higher, okay. If not, I moved my stop loss to break even. We would like some speed now. We formed the power of 3 on the 5-minute. We have the wick. No liquidity left behind. Now just spike it. Boom. That's the intention. We're touching that new wick opening gap high, so it's a game of patience. We're inside the CB right now. We want a blast through this one. We don't want resistance here. Nice, nice move. You should take out partials already. The last TP would be here. I'm going to take a partial right now. One out. 300 in. And I need to modify this partial as well. This ultimatum, sorry, not partial. Already 600. We locked in 300. And I want the stop loss to stay behind this 5 minute. Whatever happens. Love to 311 meaning. The account it's 300. You have taken a trade. I'll take a lot of partials now. That's a good moment to take partials out. Let me see, I have an idea. I want to buy this fair value gap and I want to use this as a stop. Oopsie daisy. And this as target. On the 150k funded account, let's see. Let me use actually this order block. Why I'm doing this is because I want to use this as an inversion fair value gap as well. This fair value gap too. And this is a lot of liquidity here. Afterwards it can just drop, but yeah. Maybe 2 contracts would have been better. Let's go. Nice move. Let's see a spike. We just touched the 30-second fair value gap, so 10-20. I took out some partials on the micro. I have only one contract left, and I'm gonna reach the profit target that you see there, 19,307. Let's see how it wants to react of this fair value gap here. Not gonna micromanage this account anymore because I have available drawdown, so we're good on the micro account though, on the 50k account. That's a fair value gap in itself. I love this type of trades where you see relative equal highs, the price is going directly towards them. It was an easy type of day. I loved it. We profited off all the accounts and we still have some trades running, and regardless of what's gonna happen, we're still gonna be profitable. We moved our stop losses on most of them, so yeah. Now we're just gonna wait for this one to be done. An advice for whoever has taken this trade, I would just close it now. If you don't have a lot of money, just close it now. You're not far away from the target. $10, $20 is not going to change your account. You already have taken the most part of the move. Yeah. How much you now? 310? I'm curious what your account balance was now. But you said you're almost 200. Ah, you didn't took this trade. Ah, okay. That I was wondering. Amazing. So you made $50 today, right? Yeah, that's enough. You're out. Even for me. I know the price might just go higher, continue higher for the day, but I'm good now. Yeah, it was an ugly PM session. I couldn't. There was movement, but still. Let's move the stop loss. There's no need for the price to come back here. I'm closed on all accounts but this one. The most of the move it's already done in my opinion. If it wants to move higher, it is what it is, but I have traded the bottom of it, the bottom of the range. I don't advise you to put targets in terms of money. Try to put targets in terms of profitable days. Put targets in terms of maximum loss. I don't want to lose more than $10 a day. Put in targets on monetary value is gonna affect your trading in a bad way. So yeah, my opinion would be try to put targets like maximum loss would be this much and you respect it. I would like to have like 3 profitable days, regardless if it's a $10, $5, $1 or 100. That's better for your psychology, for your trading psychology. That's better in my opinion. Because otherwise you're gonna push sometimes unnecessary trades, or you're gonna have a big size when you shouldn't, just because you want that amount of money, not because it's a good setup. So yeah, size accordingly as well. Done. Let's see how they want to continue it. 56. We are 2.2k away. Let's see how much I want to drive it upwards. If this was just a graph for liquidity. I'm done for the day. No more trades. Let me show you my accounts. I'm thinking maybe they just want to continue higher from now on. That's not excluded, but yeah, I don't think I want to try anything. Because here they didn't leave any liquidities here. Let me delete this ones. I'll just keep this one maybe. But yeah, they didn't leave any liquidity here, right? So they can just drive it higher for the rest of the day if they want to. Well, it's gonna happen on stream most probably. So it could have had just happened here if I would have bought on this account. We would be very close to it actually, but that's fine. That's how I got to be a profitable trader. Um, Not pushing trades, unnecessary trades. So let me show you my Apex accounts for the day. I'm just gonna hide myself for a second so you can see. So this would be my funded account with them. As you can see, they just took my payout away, and now we have 52,334. So first profitable day after payout. It's how I love it. On the 150k account, we made 2.8k, 2,800, and my 50 challenge. I have a challenge for 50,000. We made 737, and we are $700 away from getting funded. And fixed internet, yeah, I would like that too. Let's see them driving this thing forward. That was my guess, and I guess it's gonna happen. This here. Mm. Mm. I'm curious how much they want to drive this one, because you have a fair value gap here already that it was touched. Maybe this high, 407. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see what's gonna happen. They touch this 5 minute. We're inside a 1 minute fair value gap after the highs. So usually this is an inversion fair value gap. And yeah, we've been streaming for 1 hour 14. We have 3 profitable accounts. I got paid out. I made 250 on that account. Amazing results on this account as well. 2.8. Amazing day. That's not much else that I want to do today, guys. Thank you for being here. We're gonna see you in the next one. And tomorrow I'm gonna be streaming as well. And the day after tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm just gonna let you know. Thank you for being here. Amazing, easy day. And I just want to leave with a win. I don't want to overtrade it, even though there is a possibility for us to just move higher. Because this week over here is screaming liquidity to me. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. We're going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you. Nobody else will. I'm going to talk to you tomorrow. Thank you. Ciao.